Embraer, Brazil's aviation powerhouse. The history of the fastest-growing aviation company, by Untold Facts, from Morale Edutech. Embraer is a Brazilian aerospace company that specializes in the design, manufacturing, and sale of aircraft. Their offerings encompass commercial jets, business jets, as well as defense and security aircraft. Embraer is particularly recognized for its E-Jet series of regional aircraft and also manufactures military transport and attack aircraft, including the KC-390 and A-29 Super Tucano. Embraer is perhaps best known for its E-Jet series, introduced in the early 2000s. The E-170, E-175, E-190, and E-195 became popular among regional carriers for their right size capacity, cost efficiency, and passenger comfort. These aircraft filled a crucial market gap between turboprops and narrow-body jets. Embraer Defense Security is a major contributor to the Brazilian military and international clients. The KC-390 Millennium, a versatile military transport aircraft, competes with older models like the Lockheed C-130 Hercules. Embraer also produces surveillance and light attack aircraft, such as the A-29 Super Tucano, widely used in counterinsurgency operations and pilot training. Embraer ranks as the third largest manufacturer of civil aircraft globally, following Boeing and Airbus. In an effort to cultivate a domestic aircraft industry, the Brazilian government, led by President Getulio Vargas during the Estado Novo period, invested significantly in the aerospace sector throughout the 1940s and 1950s. Nevertheless, it was only in 1969, after Brazilian military dictatorship was established following the 1964 coup d'etat, that the Empresa Brasileira de Aeronáutica, or Brazilian Aeronautics Corporation, commonly known as Embraer, was founded as a state-owned enterprise. During the 1970s and early 1980s, military aircraft constituted the bulk of Embraer's offerings, including models like the Embraer 26 Avant and the Embraer MB-312 Tucano, but the company also introduced a regional airliner, the Embraer MB-110 Bandeirantes, which took its inaugural flight in 1968, followed by the Embraer EMB-120 Brasilia, which was launched in 1985. Targeted at the export market, the EMB series marked the beginning of a successful line of small and regional airlines, alongside its own range of aircraft. Starting in 1974, Embraer received a license from Piper Aircraft of the United States to design, manufacture, and sell its light airplanes, given that Brazil was among the top global importers of small single- or twin-engine aircraft. Originating from a Brazilian government initiative and initially operated by the state, Embraer began a process of privatization in 1992 in conjunction with other state-owned enterprises. Embraer was sold to private investors in 1994. In 2019, Embraer contemplated the creation of a new series of turboprop regional airliners designed for 50 to 70 passengers, which would serve as a complement to the E-Jet E2. At the 2000 Farnborough Air Show, Embraer unveiled the Legacy 600, a business jet variant of the Embraer regional jet, which commenced operations in 2002. In 2005, Embraer Executive Jets was established as a dedicated subsidiary. That same year, the Phenom 100 was conceptualized as an air taxi akin to the Eclipse 500, positioning itself against Cessna and Hawker Beechcraft. It was launched in 2008 and serves as the foundation for the larger Phenom 300. The mid-size Legacy 450 and Legacy 500 were developed together as entirely new designs, while the Lineage 1000 is a VIP variant of the E-190. Embraer revealed two new business jets, the Praetor 500, which falls under the mid-size cabin category, and the Praetor 600, categorized as a super mid-size jet in 2018. The main production facility and headquarters of the company are located in Sao Paulo, Brazil, and operates production sites in Botucatu and Gavao Peixoto. The company maintains offices in Beijing, Fort Lauderdale, Amsterdam, Singapore, and Washington, D.C. Manufacturing sites for the Phenom 100 EV and 300E, as well as the Praetor 500 and 600, are located at Melbourne Orlando International Airport in Florida. Embraer exemplifies how a company from an emerging economy can rise to global prominence through strategic focus, innovation, and resilience. Its stronghold in regional aviation, growing influence in defense and executive jets, and forward-looking sustainability initiatives make it a vital player in shaping the future of aerospace. Thanks for joining us. Please share and subscribe to our channel.